Hey, what up, 10th graders? This is Miss Dunbar, and I'm showing you how to create your project and bibliography today for your teacher's assignment that they want you to do. The first thing you need to do is go to the EasyBib website and log in using your account, and make sure you use that coupon code to make sure that you have the deluxe account that I paid for. Oh yeah, I'm making it rain for your research skills. So make sure you use that so you can have access to all the features you're going to need. First of all, when you log in, your dashboard will look it won't look like this unless you already have projects. So you'll click a button that should be about here, but instead of new project, it'll say create project. And for this one, you'll call it revolutions or whatever your specific topic is for your project. And then it will be in a list like this one. So there's three things you can use for each project: a bibliography, a notebook, and of course your paper that you write. But right now I'm going to show you the features just of the bibliography, so I'll click on that. And I already have some entries here for examples. This one, and you'll notice the keys at the top, so I can cite a website source, a book source, a newspaper source, a journal source, and a database source. And having a variety of sources in your research is always a good thing. Like if I go to my Analyze button, you can see how this is helping me evaluate the diversity of my source types, which is pretty good. My database usage, yikes, definitely needs work, but I have time to go back and work on that. So I would go to the database and add more database entries. Anyways, for right now, I just wanted to show you how to navigate. So let's say I want to cite a book, so I click that tab, and in the deluxe feature, some titles are already loaded. So if I go to Germs, Guns, and Steel, wow, there's no results. That's because I spelled steel incorrectly. So you notice that EasyBib does not autocorrect spelling or anything, so we have to use our own brains for that. So then I just choose the correct book. Everything should be auto-filled in, but it doesn't hurt to check it. Now in this project, your teachers told me that they want you to annotate every source. And an annotation is a summary and also evaluation of each source. So at the very bottom, there's a button for any source: website, journal, database, book, whatever. It says add annotation. So I'm going to click that. And I typed mine already just to save time for my explanation, but you definitely want to say what the book is about, so you kind of summarize it. But then you also want to evaluate it and say whether or not you trust it. Did you think the language was easy to understand, or was it difficult to understand? What did you get out of it? And that's usually how annotations end, with what you got out of it, and also whether or not you recommend it for other people. So when I'm done, I click the Create Citation. So if you notice, now it's putting all these in order for me. And you notice some of these don't have annotations yet, but I can just click the Edit button to go back to the source, and after I've read some things about the source, I go to Add an Annotation, type away about this source is so amazing, it is totes adorbs. Okay, well, you want to use more sophisticated language than that. And your teachers want you to elaborate on this part, so you do need to, again, summarize it, evaluate it, say what you got out of it, and whether or not you recommend it. So that is how you're going to do your bibliography. And the last part, which I'm going to probably help you do later, is to, once all your entries are there, is to click the Analyze button, and we'll take a look at how EasyBib rated your sources. Are they diverse? Do you use databases? Are your websites credible? So that's about it for the bibliography. In your next tutorial will be on website evaluation. Until then, TTYL, y'all.